Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it was a highly requested video. Many of you guys were asking me how or if I do my fondant, and I used to do my fondant a really long time ago, and now I'm just being lazy and I buy it already made. But I figured that I'm going to show you how I used to do MMF, which is Marshmallow Fondant. So if you guys want to see how I made my own fondant, well, keep on watching.
So you will need a large bowl that goes in a microwave and one bag, about 400 grams of mini marshmallows. Put that in your bowl with 1 tablespoon of water and 1 tablespoon of clear vanilla extract. You don't want the vanilla extract to tint your marshmallows, so this is why you're using clear vanilla extract. Melt it in the microwave 30 seconds at a time until everything has melted. Once the marshmallows are melted, you can add your icing sugar. I add about 3/4 of a bag of 2 pounds, and I start mixing it in my bowl. The reason why I'm doing this in my bowl is because once melted, the marshmallows are super sticky, so like that they will actually stick to the icing sugar first. Then you can go ahead and then simply transfer it to either a parchment paper or a silicone cookie sheet. So this is what I'm doing right now. Now this step is super important because marshmallows are super sticky. You're going to obviously knead at this point because you want to create a dough, but you can't just do it like this with your hands. It's just going to stick all over your hands. So the little trick is to rub some shortening all over your hands, some vegetable shortening. So like that, it will create kind of like a barrier, and then you can go ahead and then knead until it becomes a dough. Obviously, this is a no-brainer. You need to wash your hands before doing this, so you want to have clean hands. And you're just going to continue kneading until it becomes a dough. As you can see, now my dough is being formed, and my actual marshmallows and my icing sugar are actually transforming into this paste. So you're going to continue doing so until it becomes elasticy. Once you do have that kind of dough, look at this. You can fold it, you can mold it, you can actually tint it, which I'm going to show you in a minute. To preserve this, super important, I rub my fondant all over with shortening so it keeps it moist, and I actually wrap it in saran wrap, or you can also use a Ziploc. So this is me showing you how to color your marshmallow fondant. It's actually the same way as you would normally color normal fondant, and it actually colors very well. You can use gel food coloring, you can use a liquid, oil base, or even water-based food coloring. And as you can see, it colors super well. If it gets sticky, you can use a little bit of cornstarch, no problem. You would normally do that. And to preserve it, always put a little bit of vegetable shortening all over your fondant and then store it in a Ziploc bag. As you can see here, I did numerous colors and they all turned out super nice. And then here I'm using a mold from Temu, and look at this, super nice. And these are the final colors that I did. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you tried it out.
So one of my first videos that is no longer available because it was like not that good. No, I shouldn't say that.
Wait, no, that was just funny. Can you keep that in?